So we're going to make a really basic tutorial on how to make a video from your phone. You can download Premiere Pro with the free 7-day trial online. There's other programs. I just happen to use Premiere Pro. You can upload your video to your computer using the SD card, using Creative Cloud, or you can also connect to it directly with the USB cord. So unfortunately, I don't know if this is going to pop up on my screen recorder, but we can press Control-I to import. I already have the footage saved on my desktop. You always want to save it in a folder on your computer first and not directly from whatever you use to get the media, such as a camera or, for this video, a phone. So I've got my folder here. I don't know if it's showing, but it's going to be under phone video. I'm going to import the entire folder. Okay, so the first thing I always do is I label the clips. This one's showing both of us. I'm going to call it Mike's side angle. So basically I always film the same thing from a few different angles. That way I have better coverage. This entire clip's going to come out to only about 10 seconds long. This is going to be called Brad's side angle. Okay, and then we have a Mike close. This is going to be Brad close. And then we have a Mike close. Okay, so when we're going to upload into the timeline, we want to select our start point. So you can either press I for that, for mark in, or you can click this little symbol here.
Today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to make a really simple, basic video. Here with my friend Brad.
Alright, we don't want that, so we'll end up with here with my friend Brad.
Here with my friend Brad.
So we'll load that up. And then Brad says,
so basically a YouTube tutorial today, and I created to actually put a little video together. So this is going to be it.
Is anybody going to watch it?
No.
So he says nobody going to watch it. Okay, in the interest of time, I'm going to fast forward through the rest of the edits and skip up to the adjustment layer.
Sounds good.
Alright, so we have our full video. We have some issues. It looks like the camera was switched around, but it is what it is. I might, in the final thing, just fast forward through all this. But alright, so we have our video. Let's clean up the footage a little bit. We can actually create an adjustment layer, which just allows us to clean up some of the video. I like to normally go in and do all the color grading myself, but let's just add a look here that makes it look a little bit better. That'll work. Let's do SL Blue Intense. And let's say we want it to open with a graphic. We can click on Graphics, New Layer, Text, throw it in the beginning. We'll go to our Effect Controls. Let's call this Basic Phone Video. We'll set the anchor point in the lower left corner. We'll change the color so it sticks out a little more. We can change the text. Let's go with Verdana, bold. Set the fill color to let's do blue. It sticks out a little more. And we can also do some effects like with opacity. Opacity is going to basically make it, we can start with it not appearing right away. Set that to 0.
Today's tutorial,
have it appear here, 100.
we're going to talk about
and let's have it disappear again. So now we have our
Today's
video.
tutorial, we're going to talk about
Another thing we can do, let's mess with the audio. I can do that by clicking on it, selecting G. Let's add 7.5 decibels. I usually want this thing to kick up to about
today's
-3
tutorial,
to
we're gonna
-6.
talk about how to make a real.
So that's good. Let's so we can actually copy attributes. So that effect I just did on audio, I can click on all of them, Control Alt V, and add the audio effect that way. You can see how it looks. It's always a good idea to watch it over once. You can see the phone flips some video. There's an easy effect to change it. I just don't know what it is because I don't normally use my phone, but I'm sure within 2 seconds you could look it up and find it.
Today's tutorial.
So that's our video. We're done with it. So let's push file, export media,
Really simple, basic
and
video.
we'll call this basic phone tutorial for Premiere Pro. We'll select our destination. I want it in the Riverside Film Network group. H.264. We can actually choose YouTube 1080p Full HD. We're going to click Use Maximum Render Quality, and we're going to export. And that's it. And once that video is exported, it'll be an MP4 file, and it'll be ready to upload on YouTube. And that's it.